Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll compare my Balmain blazer with my Dior bar jacket, and I hope that you will find this video useful. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury goods shopping, Chanel bags, jewelry, Dior, style and fashion, beauty products, weekly vlog and travel vlogs. I will start with the Balmain blazer, and this blazer was actually the first designer ready-to-wear item that I purchased, and I loved it ever since. I really like the quality of the fabric. I like the fact that it doesn't get creased very easily. Like for example, now I'm trying to crease it and it still looks okay. And it's very important for me because I usually wear this blazer to work, and it's not like I can come after a few hours home to iron it and make it look presentable again. I want it to look nice even after 9 to 10 working hours. And the quality of the fabric is actually one of the main reasons why I even tend to go for designer ready-to-wear, besides the flattering cut or certain design styles. But then again, of course, not every designer uses high quality fabric for their jackets, and I have recently uploaded a vlog about Gucci jackets that I've seen recently, and the fabric, the quality and the color just were so off. So yeah, it depends. You have to be very careful. It's always better to see the item in real life, to touch the fabric and see how it feels. This jacket has this boxy look and I quite like it, and I find it perfect to style with a t-shirt, with jeans. I love to wear it on the weekend or on casual Fridays. It's just a nice way to make a casual outfit such as a t-shirt and the jeans to look a bit more put together, more stylish. Just put on the jacket on top. I would also say that the Balmain blazer is a lot more recognized because of its design, the buttons, than the Dior bar jacket. Also, unless people know Dior brand, they probably will not even recognize that the plain black jacket is actually by Christian Dior. And sometimes I actually prefer the low-key luxury that is not very obvious which brand it's from, and that's actually the reason why I love Dior bar jacket. I actually feel that the Balmain blazer looks better with bigger sized bags, for example with my jumbo that I'm wearing right now, or even with the medium sized flaps. I wouldn't want to wear it with minis or even with the small bag. I think it looks a bit unproportionate. I just think it looks better with bigger sized bags. And when it comes to the price, Balmain is a lot more affordable. While I bought this blazer at the full price in the store, I was able to score the other version, the shorter one, which I will show to you in a second, at the discount. So you may want to check out various websites. You can always see some promotions. My Teresa and Luisa Via Roma usually have some kind of discounts, promotions for Balmain. I have seen it a few times, so you may want to check out those sites as well. Especially during winter or summer sales, that's when they have the best deals, in my opinion. At least this is something that I have noticed. By the way, I like to wear this jacket with everything black. Black trousers, black top, black shoes and a black Chanel classic flap bag. I like this look a lot. And I also like to wear the shorter version with the jeans and the t-shirt and my Chanel classic flap bag in the medium size. I wouldn't wear this jacket with a skirt. I personally don't like that look. I prefer to wear Dior bar jacket with skirts, and I will also show to you how it looks. I feel like Balmain blazers have this power look, and they are just so comfortable to wear, and they always look smart, while Dior Bar jacket is a bit more elegant looking, it's classic, it's very feminine. So a lot depends on your personal style, what you prefer, your personality, how you like to express yourself. I feel like I love both. It depends on my mood, and I prefer to make different outfits with both of these items. I find myself more of the jeans or trousers person. I tend to reach for these items a lot more opposed to the skirts and dresses even. I just find them a lot more comfortable, easier to wear. And that's actually the reason why I need to have a great blazer, or a few of them, because that's what I would actually wear very often. And moving on to the Dior Bar jacket, which I absolutely love. This one is my first Dior item that I purchased this year, my first ready-to-wear item. And that's how I started falling in love with Dior, through this bar jacket. And I also bought the belt that I will show to you in a second. I really love this jacket, and I actually asked my seamstress to add a stud button to the jacket, and that's because I actually like to wear this jacket as a top, so I would actually wear it with the belt, which I will also show to you guys. I love to button it up and wear it unbuttoned with a t-shirt. I like the look of it. Of course, when I close it up, it looks a bit more distinctive that it's Dior Bar. It's easier to recognize it. I love to wear it with my small Chanel classic flap bag. I like this elegant look. I wouldn't wear this jacket with the big bag like with my jumbo. I think it's too big. I prefer to wear it with Balmain. And I will show to you how this jacket looks with the belt, which I also picked up from Dior at the same time. I really like this belt. It looks so elegant and it's so small. I usually don't go for such small belts, but this one is so pretty and it looks really nice with the Dior Bar jacket. I love the color of the buckle, and it's so easy to style it with my bags, because my Chanel classic flap bags usually have yellow gold hardware and have lots of jewelry in yellow gold. I love to match everything, and I'll show to you guys how I wear this jacket as a top, literally just with the belt and black trousers, or sometimes even with the black skirt. I don't like to wear it with the long skirts because I feel like it just makes the whole look so mature. It makes me like 10 years older, and I don't like that, but it looks amazing with the shorter skirt or with trousers or even with the black dress. I think it would look amazing. I personally just wear it with black trousers, jeans and the skirts. So to summarize, I think that both jackets are incredible. I love them both and I wear them very often. I feel like they will never go out of style. I just think that Dior Bar jacket is a bit more elegant and it's a lot more discreet. Unless people know the brand, they will not know that it's from Dior. And I also feel like Balmain is a bit more casual, it's a bit more tomboyish, and I like that look a lot. But then of course, when it comes to the price, Balmain is a lot more affordable. I would recommend to check out both of these and see how you feel about them, but I love both styles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!